My Daddy Cooks.
This is Daddy from Daddy Cooks. Today we are making quick chicken fried rice. This is what you need: a bowl of white rice, half a bowl of chicken, and half a bowl of frozen vegetables, 1 egg, 1 clove of chopped garlic, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, salt and pepper, and a teaspoon of sesame oil. In a hot pan, put in some oil and fry the chicken. Add in the garlic, push all the chicken aside and put in your vegetables. Your chicken need not be fully cooked at this point because we are going to cook it further later on. Now knock in 1 egg and scramble it. Put in your rice. And press down gently to remove all the lumps. Add in your soy sauce, salt and pepper, I've also put in a little water. The steam will help heat up the rice and also distribute the seasoning evenly. Try using overnight rice because it's a bit harder. Freshly cooked rice is too fluffy and it may not withstand all the stir frying. Lastly, pour in your sesame oil. Quick chicken fried rice. For more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel.
Please subscribe to my daddy's channel.